Yeah, bumping my old shit for perspective. I became who I looked up to when I was 7, and that's a win in my book. Your girl loves the way I'm singing my hooks, but lift the veil up, I got raps that'll go over your head like a hijab. And I got a French girl who says she loves my je ne sais quoi. Got the type of problems that a Bentley can't solve. Or maybe one fuck, ignore that, there's been Henny involved. You trendy, that's all, you won't make it past the next 5. You don't got enough product, your fans are looking for the next high. In walks the next guy with a stash that'll last way longer than that mid that you saying is gas. I'm not chasing the cash, but some more zeros would be lovely. In the meantime, I'm just trying to get the whole world to love me. It's funny how they say that's too ambitious of me. I think it's funny how y'all sounding like some bitches to me. Wishes can be more than wishes if you wish them to be. I mean, want them to be. I mean, act on them and out comes a piranha in me. Sinking my teeth in my dreams until reality bleeds. Waking up is motivation, I know the basics and then some. I got more clips than 10 guns when the feds come. Fuck looking fresh, I'm trying to look unassuming. If your eyes are in your pockets, stop looking towards my movement. I move with a certain type of bravado. Your girl loves me like Jamaica loves Movado. Moscato is a little too weak, I need something stronger. You sound like McDonald's, I sound like Benihana. Flip, 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 flip. Work, 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 work. I've been juggling, juggling. Work, 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 work. I've been bubbling, bubbling. Work, 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 work. I'm a star, ooh, I'm about to burst, burst, burst. Come on.
If I die, would you feel like crying? If I die, would you feel like dying? If I die, would you feel like living? If I die, would you feel like trying? I'm out to miss. If I die, would you feel like crying? If I die, would you feel like dying? If I die, would you feel like living? If I die, would you feel like trying? I'm out to miss.
Now if I die, would you mourn for me? I know if my mom and dad's son got set in the ground, they would storm for me. If I was murder, Boogers turns to Jason Bourne for me. Fuck the money, who's lighting up a Ford for me. Explore honeys till I found my queen, now I'm buzzing. I just hope that when I go out, it's what it is, not what it wasn't. Fuck the cousins, I'ma gain from the millions I attain. I'ma change the fucking world for the better, scream my name. Yeah.
If I die, would you feel like crying? If I die, would you feel like dying? If I die, would you feel like living? If I die, would you feel like trying? I'm out to miss. If I die, would you feel like crying? If I die, would you feel like dying? If I die, would you feel like living? If I die, would you feel like trying? I'm out to miss.
If I die, my mama gon' be sad, but I know that I'm a legend off these motherfucking raps. Spent so much time and I can't get it back, so I better get something off these motherfucking raps. But to everybody staying, I'ma leave behind. Don't be fucking up my legacy, don't waste my fucking time. If you know what I'm about, let me see it in your steps. I bet my uncle wondered as he took his last breath like,
if I die, would you feel like crying?
Rest in peace.
If I die, would you feel like dying? If I die, would you feel like living? If I die, would you feel like trying? I'm out to miss. If I die, would you feel like crying? If I die, would you feel like dying? If I die, would you feel like living? If I die, would you feel like trying? I'm out to miss.
From Belgium to Australia, America to Germany, my desire is to inspire anybody who's ever heard of me. My mama taught me reciprocate the love, that's just courtesy. Hope you treat your life like it's an emergency with a sense of urgency.
If I die, would you feel like crying?
Clock's ticking.
If I die, would you feel like dying?
Stop wishing.
If I die, would you feel like living?
Start
if I
doing.
die, would you feel like trying? I'm out to miss.
Start a movement,
if
motherfucker.
If I die, would you feel like crying?
Yeah.
If I die, would you feel like dying?
Yeah.
If I die, would you feel like living?
How to
if
ride.
I die, would you feel like trying? I'm out to miss.
Yeah. Clock's ticking, stop wishing, start moving, start a motherfucking movement, start doing something. Yeah. Thank God I'm me. Goals on my mind, only thing I need is time. So I got a new watch. For everyone who doubted, don't believe me, just watch. Nigga, nigga, nigga. Nigga, 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 nigga. Nigga. Everybody wanna rhyme like Cole or sing like Drake. Used to wonder where I stand and if I had what it takes. Now I found who I am, never take another break. Spit that shit you won't forget while taking liquor to the face. If I'm not fitting in, I think I'm in a better place. You can hate it if you want, but who gets the better pay? Long hooks make songs for the crowd to sing along. Mixtape tracks sounding like some number ones. Your boy crossover in his word to Kyrie. Pop shit on pop shit, but they never try me. If you ever got an issue, man, the words that I speak are fully loaded clips. So I got your magazine. I'm me. Thank God I'm me.
And there'll never be another, never be another, never be
Thank
another.
God I'm me.
And there'll never be another, never be another, never be
Thank
another.
God I'm me.
And there'll never be another, never be another, never be
Thank God
another.
I'm me. Goals on my mind, only thing I need is time. So I got a new watch. For everyone who doubted, don't believe me, just watch. Nigga, nigga, nigga. Nigga, 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 nigga. Nigga. I don't care who you taking pics with, who you in that click with, who you say you work with, cause none of y'all can spit with, none of y'all can stick with, none of y'all can get with. Shoes you never fit shit, shows you never get ticks. Backstage pass, you can beat a VIP, you can have a longer set, but you never ill as me. Put me on the track, they say who the hell is he, cause my words do the work and I let my actions speak. I don't do it for the likes, I don't do it for the tweets, fake hugs and fake love, two things I never need. You can keep me out the loop, I'm in the circle that I need. You can read between the lines and never find what's underneath. Thank God I'm me. Thank God I'm me.
And there'll never be another, never be another, never be
Thank
another.
God I'm me.
And there'll never be another, never be another, never be
Thank
another.
God I'm me.
And there'll never be another, never be another, never be
Thank God
another.
I'm me. Thank God they got me all the way from day one when they were calling me cocky. Thank God we here. Thank God we working. Never got a cosign. Thank God that's perfect. Thank God we focus. Thank God for friends. Thank God for fans. Thank God we can't remember all the nights we won't forget. Thank God we loyal. Thank God we drinking. Thank God each day. Thank God for weekends. Thank God they hate it. Thank God we made it. From the city where there's less concrete, they hatred. Thank God for drinks. Thank God for tree. Thank God for the two girls who were down for the three. Thank God for night. Thank God for green. Thank God for bro. Thank God for team. Thank God for us. Thank God for we. Thank God for me. Thank God I'm me. Thank God I'm me. Thank God I'm me. Thank God I'm me.
Okay, smoke one, baby. I just wanna know ya. White girl wasted, skin like mocha. If I could, I would put your ass on a poster. Never ever fucking up again. I'm on top of the world. Just know that ain't nobody stopping me now. Come roll through with your girls, for sure. If you going through a lot right now, we should probably just smoke one, baby. I just wanna walk with a G-stack, so you don't smoke no dope, don't sniff no coke. So there should be some rock in the freeze rack, keep that laying extra low. Baby, gon' recline your seat back. This favorite song when you rip the bong and call my phone, cause you know you need that. Back in the city with my crown on crooked, I'm a king, I'ma need my seat back. Haters on the sideline trying to give me feedback, yeah, motherfucker, I beat that. And wanna look good in a G-class, 2016, I need that. Working this to kick my feet back. Homie, keep it strapped like a knee pad. Waking up at 3 p.m. So she like pills in that EDM and a brand new Drake. And she love her girl, but she need new friend, cause her friends are fake. Wait, I just wanna fucking be great. Cussing in the rock cause the cushion's so backwoods lit with my hand on her cake. We can smoke one, baby, but it isn't enough. You should know we should smoke one, baby. I just wanna know ya. White girl wasted, skin like mocha. If I could, I would put your ass on a poster. Never ever fucking up again. I'm on top of the world. Just know that ain't nobody stopping me now. Come roll through with your girls, for sure. If you going through a lot right now, we should probably just. And you just wanna know your worth. They just wanna fucking do me dirt. Couple magazines in that Louis purse. You can do you, but just do me first. Hit the blunt and I smoke some more. Have we ever been here before? On the leather couch somewhere dark. Hit the lights just to see me grow. Whoa, you don't wanna fuck with us. Pack in my bag when she packed the Dutch. Headed downtown, good God. If the thirst isn't real, then it must be holy water in your activist. Okay, actress. Recently she acting up, thinking she the shit on the avenue. No, I can't lie, yeah, you bad and such, but having you, baby girl, I had enough. I've been drinking, smoking, thinking, staying up. Going, leaving, talking, playing dumb. I done noticed that you changing up. Wear mascara trying to make it up. No, I never really gave a fuck. I got plenty other shit that I'm stressing. I got no time for you breaking down. Unless you undressing, let's hit the blunt. So smoke one, baby. I just wanna know ya. White girl wasted, skin like mocha. If I could, I would put your ass on a poster. Never ever fucking up again. I'm on top of the world. Just know.
Where would I be? Where would I be without me? Where would I be? If I wasn't here, where would I be? With no love, why would I breathe? If I wasn't me, then who would I be? Without love, right? Damn, the world's so needy. Why these people gotta be greedy? I just wanna make it more easy and free me from all the hate that I see in me. But this ain't no love song. This a we gon' rise above song. Hug on to the one you love, because not everything is what it once was. But yeah, I go, gotta let it show for them to really know. Gotta do it from the heart if you wanna blow. But low life cats don't get that, bro. People gon' hate if you great. That's part of the path, man, part of your fate. Stand straight, make people come and look your way. I just pray I can make a difference in your day, okay? I realize life is better when you can do it right. However, it's just a big fight when you don't even know how to keep on the lights. But I realize shit ain't easy. Believe me, the most the world is so needy and greedy. It's the beauty that frees me. Better find what you believe in. What you believe in. What do you believe in? What do you believe in? Better find what you believe in. Yeah. What you believe in, yeah. What you believe in, yeah. What you believe in, I don't understand, I don't even know. Ignorance is bliss, forget that shit. Be aware of your life and the way you live. Don't judge another brother cause he ain't like you. Help the motherfucker cause he in this too. I'm just trying to find a way in this world of pain. We all got something to say in the game. I blame me for me, not he or she. I'ma live my own life with integrity. I don't judge another brother cause he ain't like me. I'ma love the motherfucker, hope he filled with peace. Believe you only see what you see inside. If you find true love, might end up blind. And all kind of people wanna kill these days. I don't understand why you gotta feel this way. Don't you wanna add more to the way we living? Not take away, but this is just the beginning. This is just my vision. Yeah, it starts with a mission. I'm getting everything I can, I just hope they listen. I said, I'm just wishing on a star, man. Better remember who you are, fam. So don't judge another brother if he not like you. Just love the motherfucker cause he in this too. That's love, yeah. We all want love. I don't judge another brother cause he's not like me. Love the motherfucker, hope he filled with peace. That's love. That's love. I was taught you only see what's inside. Find something special, man, go for the ride, cause that's love. That's love. Turn me up just a little bit. Yeah. I think I can do it. Think I can do it now. Think I can do it now. Yeah. All I ever wanted in this world is a voice. Enough money so I have a choice. Mama had 2 boys, bought us shades, less toys. Now I'm about to pay you back, like sorry for the noise. People call me luck, thank God I'm lucky. I've been asked enough, so now you gotta trust me. My hat's flipped back, my skateboard's rusty. I rap what I rap, whether they hate or love me. But now I'm fed up, but I will never let up. I'm trying to stay positive and let it get better. This the type of life that I'll deal with forever. Never seen such rain in such warm weather. So wherever I go, I'll never slow down. Head in the sky, I'm over being low now. I'ma zone out and rap while your voice so raspy. Cause I don't even smoke those nasty. But I'ma keep my head up. I'ma keep my head up. And even though I'm fed up, shit, I'ma keep my head up. Yeah, I'ma keep my head up. Yeah, I'ma keep my head up. Yeah, I said I hope they love me, but first I gotta love me. Money's not the problem if your inside's ugly. Money's not the problem if you live life bummy. You're searching for the wrong thing, dummy. It's funny how the more you got, the more you need. Less you got, the more you dream. More you got, the more it's greed. Less you got, the more you see. Trust in God and you'll receive. Funny how the more you got, the more you need. Less you got, the more you dream. More you got, the more it's greed. Less you got, the more you see. Trust in God and you'll receive. Hey. And I hope you agree. And I hope you agree. And I'm somewhere in the V. Yeah, I'm somewhere in the V. Dedicated to Kai Sinclair. Rest in peace, brother.
This is moon rock shit. You gotta mix this with some regular OG, cause this shit be burning crazy.
Yeah, counting money, counting guap, I'm getting blisters. I say what I want, hold my tongue when I'm off the liquor. Don't care what she did, still gonna be getting, cause I'm on a mission. They said she did this, said she did that, but I'm still gonna kiss her. No, I don't care who just had her, cause I'm gonna get her. No, I'm not worried about that, cause I'm gonna get her. I do not care what she did, no, cause I'm gonna kiss her. No, I'm not worried about that, cause I'm gonna get her. Charge it to the game, I am no beginner. Put her on my ground, yeah, I'm posting pictures. Girl, I'm just saying, I'm supposed to be with you. Girl, I'm just saying, let me post up with you. I don't know if you should drink, let me pour up with you. And we both do the same thing, let me talk with you. Girl, you mad, my fly, that's a perfect image. And I ain't gon' lie, no, I'm gon' get you. I ain't worried about who got you right now. Cause I'm getting to the guap like right now. Cartier on a yacht, private island. Chanel, show the top, shorty styling. Yeah, counting money, counting guap, I'm getting blisters. I say what I want, hold my tongue when I'm off the liquor. Don't care what she did, still gonna be getting, cause I'm on a mission. They said she did this, said she did that, but I'm still gonna kiss her. No, I don't care who just had her, cause I'm gonna get her. No, I'm not worried about that, cause I'm gonna get her. I do not care what she did, no, cause I'm gonna kiss her. No, I'm not worried about that, cause I'm gonna get her.
Come in this bitch and I go crazy. Woo. Spend all these racks and I go crazy. Leave out the parking lot doing a 180. This how the Lord made me. Drop the top and start sunbathing. Put her on the treadmill and then I make her run naked. Got all my side hoe frustrated. This is the life I waited on. Seen the bitch from school. Gave her a number to a payphone. I don't know what you been waiting on. All I know is I waited long. I ain't waiting to get no loan. Provolone on top of provolone. Mobile phone on top of mobile phone. On what you niggas smoking on. Pull of my closet got a upstairs. Mobile home on top of mobile home. I go to sleep with a rollie on. I start my car with remote control. Get some of my pussy. I go to sleep with a condom on.